In this video, how to disable Alt+R on Nvidia GeForce Experience. For example, in Blender, Alt+R is a shortcut used to clear the rotation of an object. It resets the object's rotation to its default orientation. But if you've installed the Nvidia GeForce Experience, pressing Alt+R will show frame rates, clock speeds, GPU temperatures, and more as an overlay. To disable this, search for and open the GeForce Experience. You need to log in with an Nvidia account. If you don't have one, create a new account. Click the Settings icon in the top right corner. Turn off the in-game overlay feature. As you can see, the statistics overlay is now gone. And we can use the shortcut in Blender normally. Alternatively, if you don't want to disable the Nvidia overlay completely, you can change the shortcut. First, re-enable the in-game overlay. Then press Alt+Z to open the overlay. Click on the setting gear icon. Select the shortcut option. And change the shortcut to a new key combination. For example, I will change it to Alt+P. Now, when I press Alt+P, the statistics overlay will appear. Meanwhile, Alt+R will still work in Blender without needing to completely disable the Nvidia overlay. Similarly, if you are using Nvidia app, navigate to the settings. You can now completely disable the overlay by toggling off the slider. Or you can change the shortcut without disabling it. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.